Hey Bazaar Marketers, it's Tim Summers here. Welcome to the channel where we talk about marketing. We help you with tricks, tips, and techniques to grow your business. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a QR code in less than 30 seconds. It's really easy, and let's dive into the video right now. Alright, so as you can see, we are in Canva. This is one of our favorite tools. Lots of videos on this. So Canva, you can make free QR codes very fast, very easy. I went ahead, this is a client of ours. We're doing a menu QR code for him, but you can do menus. You can send people to your pay page, to your catalog, to your website. Anything with a website URL, you can make a QR code and send people there. Now people don't have to have a special app to scan QR codes. They just use their phone and they hit the photo where they're going to take a picture, and it automatically just scans and it'll open and send you right to that page. So more popular now than they ever were with the way the world is right now. Touchless things. People don't want to touch a menu, so a lot of restaurants are using this to put their menu on the table, and people can scan it and look at it right there and save it for later. So very great tool, and here's a free way to do it. So I already set up a little template here that we're going to do for this customer, and go into let's just go into the side over here, and if you scroll down you'll see there's a more section. If you hit more, and then there's all these other options in here, but QR code is right there. And then it opens up and you have to stick in the URL. So I already just pasted, try to make this fast video here, pasted their URL to their menu, and we will just stick that in there real quick, paste away, hit generate code, and it pops it right in there just that fast. Now you should be able to, from this video, scan that and go right to their menu. You can see how it all works. So I'm just going to tweak this a little bit more. I want to stick a background in there. Maybe just make it black, and then we actually have to change the text to white. But just want to show you some of the other things that you can do with Canva. I think the only thing missing here is an arrow. So if we go to the elements and just type in arrow, search for arrow, this shows you all the different arrow options. Let's pick a cool one like this one. And we probably need to make it a different color so it stands out. So let's make it red. So there you have it, just that easy. I'm gonna scan it on my phone, make sure it works here. Pick up my phone, scan, and there it goes. It is going into the menu, just that quick and just that easy. So Canva is a great tool. If you want to try out a free trial of it, there's actually a free and a paid version. You can do the QR codes in the free version. We've got a link in the description before. The pro version is $12.95 a month, and lots of bells and whistles and different things that you can do with it, but not a necessity by no means. So this is Tim with Bazaar Marketing. I hope you found some value here. If you do, please like, share, and comment, and we will talk to you soon.